Okay. Ang dami ding tara. Dito. Kuwan lang siya. Para na rin din kami pumunta ng... Hi! Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back again to our channel. So ngayon guys, kasama ko na si husband. Di ba kahapon, pumunta ko dito sa Amsterdam, mag-isa lang ako. So ngayon, kasama ko na siya and nagstay kami kila Joanne. And kakaalis nga lang din namin kasi nga pupunta na kami sa bahay ng uncle niya. Kasi today is his birthday. So guys, yung word na happy birthday in Latvian language is Daud Slaimes Zimshonas Tiana. Diba? Alam ko yung yung happy birthday na word. So ayan, malapit lang naman. Ay, hindi pala malapit. 46 minutes to drive. Ganda din yung weather ngayon. So bago ko makalimutan guys, i-shoutout ko muna si Leonor Nipomucino. Hello. Hello guys, shoutout sa inyo. And then lalo na kay Andres De Leon, always siyang nagko-comment sa mga videos namin dito sa YouTube. Thank you so much. And also, special mention kay Marilyn Naramay. Guys, I'm very appreciate sa kanya kasi nga mapa Facebook page at saka dito sa YouTube, always siya nagko-comment. Thank you so much, Marilyn Naramay. And God bless you. And sa lahat guys ng mga nanatiling sumusuporta sa amin at mga nanonood, thank you so much guys. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa panonood sa amin. Kasi nga, marami pa tayong mga kaganapan dito sa Netherlands. Kaya subaybayan niyo yung aming vlog. And manatili kayo hanggang dulo. Ang dami kong sinabi, no? So, ayun guys. Thank you so much guys sa lahat. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook page, Sunly Adventures, and also here in YouTube. Thank you so much. Malaking tulong na yun sa amin. So, ayan guys. Dito na kami ngayon sa Jumbo. Malapit lang sa tinitirhan ng husband, ng uncle niya. Lang si husband, nag-cash out ng pera. So, sa tabi ko guys, merong sasakyan na tinitingnan niya ako. Nag-cash out si husband ng pera. What is that?
I think so. Maybe we can see, it's opening and lights. Maybe we can
Bumili siya ng
write something, how to open. I have also pen. We can write something also.
Wait lang, dinikit ko lang ito. Bumili siya ng ganito para sa uncle niya. But we need to do it already.
Yeah, no.
Wait, I need to.
That's exactly.
You need to remove this one.
Exactly, that's
You
what
need
I was
also to
thinking.
remove this.
Exactly. Now I'm thinking how to do it.
No, just remove that.
Like this.
So magsusulat kami
Okay.
ng wishes para sa kanyang uncle.
Okay.
Hello, uncle.
This is already removed.
So sa mga nakita ko nag-comment din sa YouTube namin
And this
before.
one.
Baka daw ipakilala ko sa inyo si uncle niya. May asawa na siya, guys. May anak na din.
I don't understand.
Here, you need to write down.
No, this one is not. This one goes inside.
You need to put here. Wait. This one. Wait.
No. Wait,
It's have
don't
this.
broke.
Oh,
No,
this.
no. Because it's lights. This is the battery of the lights. See?
But how then you will gonna write down the...
I don't know.
Can I see? Wait. I need to...
No, you see, it's...
Yeah, it's about... I think only like this.
Yeah, exactly.
But you can also write down something.
Somewhere here.
Happy birthday, uncle. You can write down yours and I will also write down. Like sa pinagtrabahuan ko guys, kapag may birthday, Nagbibigay sila ng birthday cards.
Without you
And then,
fix,
sulat
it
ka kung
doesn't
anong
fix.
gusto mong
It
i-wish.
fits.
You don't want to write down?
I will, I just test. It goes inside?
I will down.
Yeah, it goes inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Dito, hindi namin lalagyan kasi nga meron siyang price. Ako naman yung magsusulat. Ang haba ng sinulat niya. Ang excellent
Ito
ng
Maya's
akin.
got it right now.
Tapos yung kay husband, ang haba. So, ayan. We're gonna put there. Smell before you
Yeah,
open.
you can write some smiles, hearts. You want to come inside with me?
No. Oh, wait. Table.
Put some smiles, hearts, something, flowers, and then.
Parang ako yung nag-smile. Okay, covered.
Maybe something more.
No, it's enough, babe. It's too much. It's not good. Like this. He's not a kid. He's adult. So, ayan. Smile
I
before
will
you
gonna go
open.
inside. You don't want to walk with me?
I will gonna go with you.
We go here, yeah?
Yeah. Look guys, oh. Nandito na kami sa bayan ng uncle niya. Itong si husband. Nag-start na siya para sa barbecue. Maganda to kasi nga meron siyang cover, oh. Ang lakas ng apoy. Hi guys! So nandito ulit kami sa bazaar. Pero kaming dalawa lang ni husband. Galing kami sa uncle niya. Kasi di ba kahapon birthday niya. And doon kami natulog. And ngayon, shopping kami dito sa bazaar. Kasi nung pagpunta namin dito, hindi namin masyado nasulit yung paglakad-lakad. Kasi nga, madami kaming pinuntahan. And isang araw lang yun. So ngayon, malilibot ko lahat. And samahan nyo kami. Doon sa Facebook page namin, nagtanong ako sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mas maganda. Itong olive na color or yung color white. Tapos madaming nagsabi na color white daw. Kasi ito yung napili ko guys. Maganda din siya. Ayan, may nakita siyang sapatos. This one is much more comfortable because you don't need to tie every time when you want to wear. Already directly to your foot. Oh, tignan nyo guys, oh. Siya, para siyang yung suot na pang-abay. May labo like similar to that Chris to Alexandra what we buy. The dress on her birthday. Ang ganda niya, no? Ang cute. Pwede din siya sa pang birthday. So, let's go. What is this?
So withdraw some money, right?
I think they accepting card. Somewhere. Mga bag. Outfit check. So, ayan. So, my love, you found something? Not yet.
I want to read.
Malabig na dito. Giniginaw na ako. Yeah, but it should be long. So here is it. Welcome to Bazaar. So ayan. Ang dami ding tao. Yung mga dito, yung mga store is from Middle East. There is a bike. Lots of bike. Same sa ko sa bike, e-bike. Look guys, so nag-withdraw si husband ng pera. Ganito, 50 euro. Tapos ang lutong niya. So, 200 euro yung niyan, winidraw. So, ayan. Maaraw siya pero malamig. Tapos mag-try kami ng Vietnamese lumpia. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Ito yung tindahan nila. Vietnamese lumpia. Ayan si husband mo, bayad lang. Ito yung napili namin, oh. 2 piraso. Tatry lang namin. Keep lumpia. Let's try their lumpia. Mainit pa. Sweet chili sauce. So, kakain lang kami, guys. Tingnan nyo yung mga binibenta nila. Ito siya barbecue. Kuwan lang siya. Kanya-kanyang kuha ng salad. So, ayan. Ito siya. You can take whatever you want. So, I will also take. So, kuha tayo nito. Para siyang violet na cabbage. Tapos lettuce. Lagyan natin. And then carrots.
This is one, the second for you.
And cucumber. Water.
Water.
And then some
One cola, one water, and three cola. That's it? 45.
Sorry? Kim on 02?
So, ayan yung kinuha ko. Malabo.
Oh.
Malab this way. I will put here.
Wait on that side.
So, ito na guys yung aming pagkain. Para na rin din kaming pumunta ng Middle East. Sa dami ng pwedeng pagpilian ng mga food na gawa ng Middle East. So, ayan. Meron din silang tinapay. Sayang, hindi ko nakita yung meron silang rice. Meron pa silang paano ng garlic sauce. So, let's try the meat. Be careful. Sarap. Alam niyo ba guys, meron akong katabi dito, Pinay. Nasa lang sila, nasa pangatlong table. Nakilala niya ako kasi nga sabi niya, nakapalo daw siya sa TikTok ko. And gusto niya magpa-picture. Naiiya ako. And tapos na rin kaming kumain ni husband. So, pupuntahan namin siya guys. Hi kasi sa vlog. Hi! So guys, nakita ko siya dito. Ito yung husband niya.
Tapos sa kayo, uwi na kayo.
Hindi, maglalakad-lakad ako.
Mag-iikot na kayo.
Ang sarap siya. Ang dami. Oh?
Try this one. No, this one.
This? Ah. Binigyan ako ng 3. Try muna namin bago kami bumili.
This one is good.
Ano siya? Parang siyang peanut butter. Yeah. This one and this one. But not so much, babe, ah.
If you want to bring to John also, yeah? Or no?
With just only some little, babe. It's enough. And then this one.
This one?
Yeah. It's okay to mix, no?
It's okay to mix?
A mix. Enough. It's enough, babe. Ito siya,
Really expensive.
peanut butter. Ito naman, chocolate. Ito, milk.
Wil jullie een stukje proeven? Ja?
So, ayan guys, nagpicture kami nung Pinay nang nakita ko doon. Nakapalo din sila sa sa TikTok at saka sa vlog namin. So, nandito kami sa may mga leather na bag. Maganda tong bag na to, oh. Pang siya, pangkaw girl. Same din sa kulay ng ko leather. Kakaiba talaga yung amoy niya kapag leather. Ito. Bibilang kasi namin yung friend ng papa niya sa Latvia. And naisipan ni husband na bilan siya ng bag na lang instead na damit. So ayan, bibilin namin yung isa. Ganap din ako ng sinturon para sa leather ko kaso wala sila. Maganda siya guys, oh. Paano siya, lamp na siya pero pwede mo din siyang i-display. And this one, oh, para sa TV. I love this one, oh, it's nice.
Yes. Like this table.
Yeah, it's also nice.
And in the middle, that one.
Gold.
I like that. I really like that.
Ito, oh, para kang nakasaspa.
Oh.
This? Ayo, oh. Kuhan siya woods. Tapos pinatungan siya ng glass.
Glass.
Yeah. Nagagandahan si husband. Mga lamp din. How much, babe? How much?
Almost 600.
800. Meron din silang mga sopa dito. Ang ganda.
They have couch like where I can sit really good.
Where?
Like really nice.
You gonna sit down, no? Maganda tong center table nila. Like this, it's okay, no? You can sit? Maganda siya. Parang same siya sa sopa nila sa Latvia. Pero iba yung
When I
kulay.
have like a chair. That's why we're gonna choose couch.
Ay. Naantok na ako. So, ayan guys.
Well, it's the same long.
Gusto niyang bilhan yung mom niya ng winter jacket. Mas mura ngayon kasi nga, tapos na yung winter. Kuan lang siya. Kuan siya, 100 euro, tapos tinawaran niya husband ng 80.
My mom would be very happy.
Yeah.
You could send it in birthday. Now it's coming birthday.
Ah, yeah, it's June. Well, just go. Parang similar siya sa binili ko, oh. Similar sa jacket. Ah, my love, it's similar to my jacket.
Yes, exactly.
So guys, ito yung, dito din ako bumili ng jacket ko before.
This one
Or
is
maybe like this.
like this one?
Yeah, like this one.
Ah, so bibili niya din yung mom niya para sa akin. Yan pa, ang dami. So,
I don't know. I can wear it.
Yes, you can wear it.
isusukat niya kasi same size sila ng mama niya. Ang dami pa dito, oh. Ito na lang dapat ako bumili ng ano ko, ng popper vest. Itong suot ko na green. Meron din ditong ano, oh. I know not. So,
I think it's it.
it's good.
I think so. This one's good looking, no?
They're laughing. They're thinking you will gonna wear it.
Dai Alsa penja. Batar gösterge, batar. This batar gösterge.
Yung lalaki tumatawa siya nung sinukat ni husband. Nakala niya para kay husband yung sinusuot niya. Parang buang. Ito, maganda din siya, oh. Kaso meron akong white. Gusto ko iba yung na kulay.
50.
Ha?
150.
Wala, there's no discount? There, there's no discount?
Huh?
There's no discount?
What's your price?
130.
Huh?
130.
130? I can yeah? 130. So see.
Tamam dersin tek dersin ver.
Can you count money? That have enough?
Wait, I need to count. 20, 30. No, it's not enough.
How much is that?
It's only 60, 70, 85.
35.
85?
Yeah.
You can the rest like pen.
10, yeah?
Yes?
Okay.
Sana pala, tinawaran ko ng 100 kasi nagtatanong siya. Magkano daw yung gusto mong ibawas. Nahiya naman akong sabing 100. Tapos sinabi ko na lang 130. Pumayag naman siya. Dapat pala 100. Sabon siya na may mga flavor na mga prutas, oh. Kiwi, pineapple. Weird. Para siyang pagkain. So, you're good?
Yeah.
So, same outfit kami ng mama niya. Same jacket kami. My love, we are the same jacket of your mom. Meron silang leggings. Yung gusto ko, yung hindi siya bumabakat. Ay, bumabakat siya eh. How much is this?
50.
Ha?
50.
1.5? 1.5? 1.5?
Nee, size S, M, L, XL.
XS. XS.
XS.
How much? 1.5?
50.
50?
Yeah.
50?
Nee. 51. 50.
1.5? 15.
Yeah, 50.
Can I get the small?
Kaka?
Small. A small. They also have some dress. This one only. But where can I wait out there? So ayan guys, binili ko yung yung pants. Ito na siya. You cannot fit there?
Maybe.
Let's go.